Hi, this is POCO X6 Pro and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner on the lock screen, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we could see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct, and we just unlocked the device successfully without any problems. You just should hold for a while this fingerprint scanner to unlock the device successfully, because with a simple touch to the scanner you have no chance to unlock it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.